Hey y'all, so we're back working on the Hardie Plank. Got the first little starter row going here. And all I did was from the bottom here, tar paper sticking down a little bit, but you can see up under here the bottom board here and then the OSB. Well, try to make this starter board as level with the bottom of the OSB that I could. And then just wanted to show you the process of putting these in there. Just doing it by myself, so I'm using these DeWalt bar clamps, which are one of the best investments ever made, I think. Anyway, put you up over here. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna do this last piece over here, and right here. So I'm just gonna show you what I've been doing. This piece is a little bit long. I've been using about a, I don't know, 1.5 inch gap, so a little bit of gap on the side. So I'm just gonna break this real quick, probably about like yay. Just guesstimating. Okay. Yeah, so it looks about right. So what I've been doing is taking a level, if you can see that. Okay, yeah. Looks like you can see it. So I've just been taking a level off the last one that was level. And then, bring it up a little bit here. Okay, looks level. Then folding it there. This is just kind of using the bar clamp. Just hitting myself in the face with it. Clamping it. This one's shorter, so I'm only going to do 2 nails, I think, in this one. Double check my level. Okay. This seems good enough. And then just been hammering it in. And that's it. So seems super easy. We got a first row on that level, and using the bar clamps and stuff, doing it by myself. Really simple, making sure it's level, and then yeah, we will secure it. Alright, so that's our first row, and like I said, use gaps, so if water gets behind the lap siding, it'll just drain out through these gaps right here and it won't stay. So that's the first step, everyone. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with another part. I was just showing you that one little bit there, how to do it kind of by yourself, because I pretty much do everything by myself. Too stubborn to ask for help usually. I think people can identify with that. Okay. We'll be back with more. Thanks for watching. Hope that helped. Goodbye.